Interrogation, intimidation, threatening language.
From whom?
From you.
From me?
अरे you're not letting me speak only. You said you come ask me question. I'm trying to ask you question. You're not letting me
आप
finish.
क्या कह रहे हैं? I'm not letting you speak.
No,
आप
no,
खामोश
no,
तो
no,
नहीं
I
है।
want to know.
आप ही तो बोल रहे हो, मैं खामोश हूँ।
You're always grinding your teeth. Like why you so angry? In Congress time were you so angry? Tell me in Congress time were you so angry or not?
बड़े प्यार से पूछूंगा। I am both पत्रकार and prosecutor. ये मुझे बताइएगा प्रधानमंत्री साहब, how did you get a 56-inch chest? How can I get a 56-inch chest?
Now you stop. Tell me one nice thing about our supreme leader. One nice thing, huh? Please. English imposition. English imposition. What is English imposition?
मेरे नाल मुंडे पंजाबी च गल करनी है, पंजाबी च गल करो।
And your Pakistan prem? Pakistan Prime Minister interview, Pakistan Ambassador interview, Pakistan and envoy interview, Pakistan expert interview. Why do you give so much space? Why do you give so much space to anti-national?
प्यास लगी है?
No.
आपको प्यास लगी है?
I will make you drink water. What you say, huh? In politics, what will I? You made him drink water right in the beginning. What is? Huh? Anyways.
You are doing it with great accomplishment and I am enjoying it. I am enjoying it enormously.
Hi, I'm Karan Thapar. Over the last few years, I hope you've been watching my program, The Interview on the Wire. During that period, I've interviewed doctors, politicians, businessmen, scientists, authors, and even the occasional Nobel laureate. For me, it's been exciting. I hope it's been enjoyable for you. But these, as you know, are tough times. And if this program is going to remain bold, independent, and sometimes even defiant, then I think we need your support. At the end of the day, it's a truism, but editorial independence is best defended by the viewers. So if you would like this program to remain the way it is, forthright, outspoken, and interesting, then would you consider supporting us? All you have to do is to click on the description at the bottom. But more than anything else, I hope you will continue to watch the interview. Your viewership means an awful lot to me.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Bhag Banerjee here. And unfortunately, I have to talk to you in English. But what happened is Mr. Karan Thapar called us. Mr. Karan Thapar said, Bhag Banerjee, lots of interviews I have done, but I want to now speak to India. I want to speak to Bharat. I have done enough of this India talk. So would you like to come over? I said, okay, I am here. Mr. Karan Thapar, you tell me that you do this interview once in a while where you take questions. So I said, okay, I will ask you some questions. But Mr. Thapar, let me tell you, before I proceed on this, I am very upset with you. I am upset with what you have done to our Supreme Leader.
What have I done to the Supreme Leader?
No. Don't act innocent. You made him drink water. What is this?
उन बेचारे साहब को प्यास लग गई थी।
No, not this प्यास लगी थी। अच्छा, anyways, I am telling you, you asked me to come. I'm here. Don't ever say that we don't take questions. We do press conference, we do question, we do everything, okay? But my thing is, you will not get up from this interview. You will broadcast unedited. Unedited interview you will broadcast.
Unedited, but first tell me something. Whose bhakt are you?
Supreme Leader. अरे,
और Supreme Leader कौन है?
अरे, our Papa.
Popo is pineapple.
Hey, Mr. Thapar, I am here with respect. No naming of pineapple and all, okay? Our Supreme
Actually,
Leader,
Popo is African for papaya.
What is this behavior? I am saying, I am asking you questions now. You've started doing this right from the beginning. This is the problem with you.
But tell me this, if you are a bhakt of the Supreme Leader,
yes,
so you're into sycophancy.
No, why? I love my nation. I love the Supreme Leader of my nation. What is the problem?
You're sucking up.
No, how dare... Mr. Thapar, first and foremost, you put this condition on me that I have to talk in English, huh? And then you are doing all of this. Why first and foremost, tell me why this interview in English? Why? Huh? No. You have a problem with Hindi imposition.
इसका बहुत असल जवाब है क्योंकि मुझे अच्छी हिंदी आती नहीं है.
Why? You are in this Bharat.
Because
you are
I am
in Bharat?
because I am Punjabi, I am not Hindi speaking. My mother tongue is Punjabi. मेरे नाल मुंडे पंजाबी च गल करनी है. पंजाबी च गल करो.
What is
बोलो
this person
पंजाबी.
do? You know
बोलो पंजाबी.
You know Punjabi, you know English, but you're not taking effort to do Hindi. Huh?
You have to tell me this.
Oh.
Why are you a bhakt?
English imposition. English imposition.
why are you
What
a
is
bhakt?
English imposition?
Why are you a bhakt?
I am Bhakt of my nation. I am Bhakt of my nation's best leader ever. And you are jealous of him.
Do you know what
I
Ambedkar
will
said
make you drink
about?
water.
Do you know what Ambedkar said about bhakti in politics? He says it leads to degradation. Eventually, it leads to dictatorship.
What are you? Talk about New India. Now, why are you stuck in old India quoting Ambedkar ji? Talk about New India. Why are you not
Your
quoting?
supreme
my
leader
leader.
quotes Ambedkar all the time.
Acha, okay. Now, okay. Mr. Thapar, wait. Yeah, big file I have. Huh? You are always threatening people. Big files you show. Huh? I have big questions. Now I will ask question. Itna sara. Oh my God. so many
Akash ji, you are very funny.
No. Wait. Now, my first question. Now, you're not answering why you're not. Okay, ठीक है. English. Okay, I will ask in English. Okay. Now, see, right in the beginning, see what happened, Mr. Thapar. See what happened. Interrogation, intimidation, threatening language.
From whom?
From you.
From me?
Arey, you're not letting me speak only. You said you come ask me question. I'm trying to ask you question. You're not letting me
आप
finish.
क्या कह रहे हैं? I'm not letting you speak.
No,
आप खामोश तो नहीं
I
है.
want to know.
आप ही तो बोल रहे हो. मैं खामोश हूँ.
Mr. Thapar, are you a patrakar or are you a prosecutor? First and foremost, tell me. Everybody has a problem with you. You're always asking aggressively question. Now ask nicely now.
बड़े प्यार से पूछूंगा.
हाँ.
I am both पत्रकार and prosecutor.
What do you mean you're patrakar and prosecutor? You're mixing. ये remix है क्या? What do you mean? How can you be both? You can only be patrakar or you can be a prosecutor. What is this? Okay. Now I am saying, Mr. Thapar, I am also asking very politely. You're a senior person. I'm asking politely.
Senior in age.
No, ठीक है, देखो. I know my parampara, okay? I will respect you in age. I will respect you. But I'm asking you politely. You see, what happens is, in New India, people want to know the guest. They want to know what drives the guest. They want to know what that person is in private. They would like to know about, some hidden aspect. But you will go and ask them questions like, how dare you do this? How have you done this? Like he's some like villain? Like why this? You made up your mind. You have made up your mind. No, I am what did you just now say? I papaya or whatever. I
Pawpaw. Pawpaw is African for papaya.
See, again you're doing the same thing. I am saying, why not want to know? Acha, Bhag Banerjee, what do you think? Why do you think so? What drives you? No, you will say Sida Papaya. Huh? What is this?
मैंने नहीं पॉपो का. आपने कहा था पॉपो.
Why can't you ask more interesting questions? Please answer.
मैं जवाब दूं?
I'm waiting. I will not interrupt you
asked
like you.
I ask the questions that I believe are relevant to the occasion. If it deserves a question to be asked, which is tough, I'll ask a tough question. If it deserves a question that will draw the person out, I seek to draw the person out. It's the nature of the interview that determines the question I ask.
Okay. So, to Modi ji, you asked all wrong questions right in the beginning, huh? Because he deserves those questions, huh?
No, I thought the occasion called for those questions.
Huh. Anyways.
आपको प्यास लगी है?
No.
आपको प्यास लगी है?
I will make you drink water. What you say, huh? Why did you ask those questions? Why do you have to be so aggressive right in the beginning? Tell me.
I'll give you the.
You're liking this? Huh? Now I am giving you taste of your own.
I'm liking it very much. I am liking very much because you are doing what I think you do so well, and you are doing it with great accomplishment, and I am enjoying it. I am enjoying it enormously.
Achha.
I am also trying to imitate you.
Mr. Thapar ji, I will not even try to imitate you because you see, I will not point to on 20th December 1555 you said so and so. I will not do all of this business. I am saying
20th December 1555, neither you nor I were alive. That is 5 centuries ago.
Acha, okay. Now, you will you listen? My question to you is, Mr. Thapar, do you listen anytime? You know, you want to ask questions to Modi ji. Huh? Have you ever heard Man Ki Baat? No. Honestly, tell me.
No.
Ah, the great Mr. Thapar has never heard Man Ki Baat. Anti-national. Why no? Why?
दिल नहीं करता.
Your job as a journalist is to listen.
No, I can read about what he says in the papers the next day. I don't have to listen to his voice saying it.
Ah, original source नहीं सुनना. I caught him.
नहीं,
Caught him.
original source ही है. The papers quote verbatim what he said. That is the original still. I just don't want to watch him and listen to him at 11 o'clock on Sunday. I'm reading the papers instead. I'm having a cup of coffee. I'm probably having a toast, eggs and bacon.
Have water. Oh, bacon. Ah, beef also you will say now, na?
Yes, happily. I have no problem having beef.
What is he saying, this man?
I actually enjoy it.
My God. I don't want to discuss this. I want to ask you the next question, which is very simple.
खुशी से जितने पूछने पूछेगा, जितने पूछने पूछेगा, आज आप मास्टर हो.
मैं अच्छा. So, Mr. Thapar, tell me, why are you so angry when you do interviews?
I'm not actually.
You're always grinding your teeth. Why are you so angry? In Congress time were you so angry? Tell me how in
आकाश
Congress time were you
जी,
so angry?
हकीकत ये है कि करण को गुस्सा नहीं आता, बहुत कम आता है, बल्कि ज्यादातर नहीं आता. बहनों के साथ कभी आता है, लेकिन औरों के साथ नहीं आता.
And were you so probing in the Congress time? Show me an interview. Tell me which interview you did in the Congress time.
Several.
You're only angry now. In New India, you're angry.
I did many interviews with Kapil Sibal, one or two of which he walked out of, but he had the good sense to return and finish the interview. That is also true of LK Advani. He walked out of them a couple of times, and he always had the good sense to return and finish the interviews. Mr. Modi walked out, didn't return. That's the difference.
And your Pakistan prem? Pakistan Prime Minister interview, Pakistan Ambassador interview, Pakistan and envoy interview, Pakistan expert interview. Why do you give so much space? Why do you give so much space?
Because they are important people to interview, because the Prime Minister or the Ambassador of a country that we consider in quotes an enemy is important for us to know, understand and to question. And by the way, all the interviews with Pakistanis have been tough interviews.
How do I know?
Well, you can watch them.
Okay, Pakistan everybody interview. Now tell me, how many interview of Bajrang Dal, how many interview of ABVP, how many interview of RSS and how many interview of BJP you have done in last 10 years?
I have interviewed the Sang Chalak of the RSS.
Now, one.
Right? He is the number one man in the RSS, and I interviewed him in English, and we did it for the BBC.
Okay, one. Then, and that also BBC, ladies and gentlemen.
He agreed.
What about you? Your show?
I was doing the interview. It was called Hard Talk India.
And now.
His name was Mr. Sudarshan.
In your own personal capacity. Phas gaye.
That was also in my personal capacity. I was anchoring the program.
Okay. So you are admitting that...
मैं एक चीज कहना चाहता हूँ बीच में. आपको सुन के, आपको देख के बहुत मजा आ गया. आप कमाल के एक्टर हैं, सच में कमाल के एक्टर हैं.
अरे wait.
I now understand why Bhakt Banerjee has so many fans.
You can't butter me and think I will go ask you soft question. अभी hard question बाकी है. All sorts of economists you are calling. चलो पाकिस्तानी भूल जाओ. All sorts of economists you call onto your show, and deadly situation is made. Ho. GDP is falling. Nation is collapsing. Why are you so negative? Why are you so negative? Economy is doing very well. People are going. See, buy outside. Mercedes selling or Rolls Royce selling. What are you saying? Economy is not okay. What are you saying? Tell me. Huh? I'm waiting.
इस सवाल का जवाब देने की जरूरत नहीं है. लोग जो इस इंटरव्यू को सुन रहे will themselves know what is the state of the economy, and they will themselves know that Bhakt Banerjee is only being a Bhakt when he says the economy is doing well.
Your guest on your show recently said actual GDP 48% is कम है, यानी 2.5 trillion. You did not counter that person when that person said 2.5 trillion है. Why are you not countering this false narrative on your show?
Now, hang on a second. What he was saying is the actual GDP as opposed to the figures calculated by the government, and his explanation for that, if you want, I'll go into it. His explanation was that the way we calculate the GDP of the unorganized sector, which if you exclude agriculture is still something close to 30-35% of total GDP, is done as a proxy, and when the the organized sector and the unorganized sector are moving in different directions, the proxy goes wrong. As a result of which we've been overestimating the unorganized sector. He corrected it and said he believes the real GDP is considerably lower than what the figures and the data claim.
What is this?
Do you really want that explanation? It's probably very boring.
It is going above. What is this? I am saying talk about the bottom line now. $4 trillion economy we became.
अभी तक वहां नहीं पहुंचे.
Train से आगे we went out of Japan. Huh? How many shows have you done on $4 trillion GDP? Tell me now. Tell everybody. We are listening. No. Tell me.
I do lots of interviews on the economy, but I don't think we've quite got to $4 trillion as yet. That will happen in due course, but we haven't got there as yet. If you go by what the IMF and the World Bank are saying.
So, economy is not okay. We have to listen to Pakistan.
No. मैंने नहीं कहा economy is not okay. मैंने कहा the economy has problems, but it is growing at a very respectable 8.2% in the last quarter.
And then, of course, Mr. Thapar will also say freedom of speech is in danger. Half his interviews are about the state of democracy and state of economy. Mr. Thapar, tell me. We are having this conversation. Where is freedom of speech in danger? Tell me. You call anybody. You want Mr. Modi interview? I will arrange for you.
Okay, promise.
I will
Promise.
I will call Amit Ji.
Bhakt Banerjee will ring up the Supreme Leader and say, Supreme Leader, do me a favor, give Karan an interview. आप वाकई कहेंगे.
But you have to be better now. You have to ask better questions now.
You tell me what question should I ask the Supreme Leader?
The amount of work that he's doing.
Oh,
the hard work that he's doing.
Bilkul.
You don't ask him these questions.
I'll ask him. I'll say, you do a lot of hard work. You travel abroad frequently. आज ही जा रहे हैं. जॉर्डन जा रहे हैं, इथियोपिया जा रहे हैं, उसके बाद ओमान जा रहे हैं. इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. कितना कष्ट आप पूरे मुल्क के लिए उठा रहे हैं कि आप विदेश भी जा रहे हैं. कमाल की बात है सर. मैं जरूर पूछूंगा.
Mr. Thapar, I'm sorry, but please have some water if you have a problem with this. But please don't mind. But I have to ask you this.
But मैं पानी क्यों लूं मुझे प्यास नहीं लगी. मैं पानी क्यों लूं मुझे प्यास नहीं लगी. आप पीते जाइएगा.
You drink water. Wait. I am saying you are out. You are asking still questions. So either there is freedom of speech or you don't matter. Either there is freedom of speech or you don't matter to Modi ji. Tell me.
Well, I probably don't matter to Modi ji.
Admission. Breaking news. Karan Thapar ji admits. Don't matter, na? You don't matter.
Not at all.
But there is freedom of speech.
I'm not sure there is complete freedom of speech because a lot of journalists have tried for UAPA and sedition when they've done actually nothing wrong whatsoever. That's not freedom of speech.
Okay. So tell me how democracy is in danger and freedom of speech is in danger. Please convince me. I'm listening. Convince me, Mr. Thapar.
By intimidating the media, by putting pressure on media owners.
The intimidator in chief of interviews is saying intimidating the media. Achha. Okay.
So आप क्या कह रहे हो कि मोदी जी got intimidated by me?
Money, he got insulted. You insulted him. Huh. Anyway,
but not intimidate. वो तो मानते हैं आप.
अरे, you will intimidate.
But आप तो मुझे बुला रहे थे intimidator.
You're distracting my question. My question is prove. How is democracy in danger? All those fraud international ratings you believe, na? You will come and say, oh, look at HDMI, look at freedom of expression, look at VDEM ranking. What is all this?
Let me give you one example.
What is all this?
BBC के documentary के साथ क्या हुआ था? When they made a documentary about Mr. Modi's handling of Gujarat, it was not allowed to be shown in India. And when it was put up on YouTube channels and it was put up on other social media channels, it was removed.
I mean, see, you BBC, you can't trust. BBC, you can't trust.
Why?
They have an agenda. What are you saying, BBC?
What is the agenda? Tell me.
They're jealous.
Jealous?
I mean, you saw that.
What are they jealous of?
Always anti-India voices they want to project. I don't know. The Congressies se पूछो आप. You ask your friends in the Congress about why the BBC is not questioning the Congress.
When Stephen Saka came to India 8 months ago, Hardeep Singh Puri gave him an interview. He's a member of the cabinet. And the former Chief Justice gave him an interview, Justice Chandrachud. He's the most illustrious recent Chief Justice we've had.
Oh, now you like CGI. Achha, former CGI. Achha, okay. Like na? Achha, okay. Mr. Thapar, let's come to an understanding. Tell me one nice thing about our Supreme Leader. One nice thing, please. Okay. Let's see how impartial Mr. Thapar is.
He has a pale blue kurta which when he wears it suits him a lot.
What are you saying, Mr. Thapar? I am asking you a serious question.
I'm giving you a serious answer. He looks good in pale blue.
No, but just because I agreed to do this interview and I'm speaking in English, you may make fun of me like this.
I'm not making fun of you.
Saying, say something nice about our Supreme Leader.
I am.
He's not nothing nice in
Well,
his
no,
appearance,
no.
according to you.
The Supreme
Besides
Leader-
wearing a kurta.
The Supreme Leader looks very good when he wears a pale blue kurta.
What is this person?
उनके शक्ल के साथ वो ब्लू रंग बहुत अच्छी तरह मिलता है.
Shaking hands with Putin, shaking hands with Trump, shaking hands with Z, shaking hands with Netanyahu. Who has done all this? Nehru. Who has done all this? Look at where we are internationally. Look at where we are.
I'll tell you the difference. In Nehru's time, they came to shake hands with him. They came to shake hands with him.
So yahan bhi. Okay, so he's done. Our leader has done nothing. Only Nehru has done everything. Wow. So, Mr. Thapar.
Are you a Bhakt of Nehru as well?
No. Why? And why should I be bhakt of somebody who was so weak? Kashmir almost we lost because of him. Anyways, I'm not talking about him. I'm talking about our leader. Don't go back into history. I'm talking about present. If not our Supreme Leader, then who? Why are you so against him? What will you get? Achha, chalo, kal he resigns. You are the happiest person. Mr. Thapar is the happiest person. PM resigns. Then what will happen? Who will come? Tell me.
आप भक्त हो मुझे बताइएगा. Is he about to resign? Is he thinking of resigning?
No. अरे Bhakt Banerjee जान दे देगा. How dare even? So I'm just saying for argument's sake. If he's not there, then who? You don't have an answer.
If the Prime Minister were to resign, I would raise a glass of champagne.
पानी नहीं पिएंगे. Champagne you want to have? पिला दो इनको
हाँ,
champagne.
दे दीजिएगा. मैं बहुत चाहता हूँ
wine
champagne.
and champagne glass.
मैं जरूर चाहता हूँ champagne and with it a nice big burger.
I have exposed you, Mr. Thapar. You will be happy when our Supreme Leader resigns. You are sad right now. Admit that you are sad and you will continue to be sad because he's not going anywhere.
I love your ड्रामेबाजी. You are so good at it. आप कमाल के हो. मुझे अब पता लगा और समझ आ रही है कि आपके
No, Mr. Thapar.
फैंस क्यों हैं.
Mr. Thapar, you will be my fan. You will be the fan of our leader.
I
also.
am your fan.
Give me some time here. I will make you the fan of the leader also. Tell me, Mr. Thapar, you talk about the constitution so much and democracy so much. How many times have you questioned the opposition? Have you grilled the opposition? Have you made Rahul Gandhi drink water on your show? Tell me, where was the interview with Rahul Gandhi?
The truth is, Rahul Gandhi has not agreed to give an interview.
So, the interrogator-in-chief, breaking news, is admitting that the leader of opposition and the face of the opposition has not given him an interview.
That's right.
लेकिन villain कौन है? हमारे Supreme Leader जी. वाह! Please, I want you to now say it on national TV. No, अरे आपका national TV तो है नहीं वैसे. But I want you to say why. What is wrong? Tell me.
What is wrong with what?
You find nothing wrong with the opposition giving you and not giving an interview?
I find it despicable. I find it despicable. I think Rahul Gandhi, when he first became an MP in 2005, promised he'd give me an interview. He said, give me 1 year to find out what this job is like and I'll speak to you. तब से लगभग 15-20 साल बीत गए लेकिन उन्होंने इंटरव्यू दिया नहीं.
Such nice words coming out of Mr. Thapar's mouth. Yeah. Please continue. I'm listening. Despicable, 15 years, no interview, Rahul Gandhi. Mr. Gandhi, are you hearing? Carry on.
नहीं, जो कहना था कह दिया.
अच्छा. So, this whole, जो Doon School, Oxbridge.
Doon School is a great school. I'll underline that for you. Doon School is undoubtedly the best school in the country.
This colonial hangover कब जाएगा?
नहीं, it's not colonial.
Doon School है, Oxbridge है, Cambridge है.
C.R. Das founded the Doon School. It's not colonial.
Doon School and yet I will make you pani pilao. What are you
Doon
talking?
School is not a colonial school. We sing Lappe Aati hai.
नहीं, एक मिनट. So all the Doon schools of the world could not teach you Hindi?
No. I didn't say Doon School was able to teach me Hindi.
What did it teach you? Only asking questions, huh?
They taught me to ask questions.
Always
They taught me to
asking
answer questions. It taught me to admire a superb actor like you.
अरे फिर वो तो भक्त बनर्जी को एक्टर, ये कैसा है?
आप कमाल के
कमाल
एक्टर
है।
हो।
What is this?
आपके
What is
सामने
wrong with
अमिताभ
this person?
बच्चन will be disappointed because he is not as good as you.
Mr. Thapar, tell me one thing. Why is your anger only reserved and your questions only reserved for Modi ji and people like us who are only trying to work for the nation? Where is your anger on the other side?
There is a lot of anger on the other side. अगर आप वो इंटरव्यू देखोगे आप पहचान जाओगे.
बताइए बताइए. Tell me what anger. Tell me how have you shown this anger?
In interviews to people like Arjun Singh when he was a minister, Digvijay Singh when he was general secretary of the party, Kapil Sibal, right? Not to forget that even now when I interview Shashi Tharoor, he often gets angry and you can see him champing at the bit. People get angry because they realize that tough questions will be asked. But, and this is the important thing, they know that there is no malice on my part. Karan is doing a job. He's not targeting me.
पकड़े गए, पकड़े गए. Now, Mr. Thapar, you just now said there is no malice on your part.
None.
Did you or did you not say it?
I did.
Said it. And then you said if the PM resigns, you will have champagne.
That's not malice. That's not malice. That would be celebration.
अरे 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 अरे
That would
अरे,
be
इतना
malice.
crazy. I also know
That
what
would
you
be
mean. That is not
celebration.
malice. So, if Rahul Gandhi resigns as leader of opposition and says, I will leave politics, will you have champagne?
Yes. Yes. I don't think Rahul Gandhi is a terrific leader of the opposition at all. I don't hesitate in saying that.
So, what is, okay, fair. What will make Karan Thaparji happy? This is my final, and this is a very, very serious question I'm asking. You are always asking questions, you are always angry, you are always probing. What will make Mr. Thapar happy? Okay.
I'll tell you.
है ही नहीं, जवाब ही नहीं है.
A really good single malt.
अरे, what is this? I noticed है. What is this? इसमें दारू तो नहीं है. Alcohol. I am asking you, what will make you happy? You are saying daru will make you happy.
I will indeed. It will make me very happy.
There is nothing else that is left in this nation to make you happy.
No, you said what is the one thing that will make you very happy? I said a very
you're
good
playing
single
with
malt.
words, eh?
And I'm told that an Indian single malt called Rampur is brilliant. I'm dying to try it.
Arey, this is plug happening. I am not going to be part of an interview where you're plugging all of this, Mr. Thapar. I am asking you, acha, in politics. In politics, what will make you happy?
If the Prime Minister to come back and give another interview.
And
you know the first question I would ask Modi ji if he came and gave me another interview. I would say to him, Pradhan Mantri ji, अगर आपको प्यास लगी है तो पानी पहले पी लीजिएगा.
Well, this is exactly. I'm controlling myself. This file will come flying somewhere. I am saying, what is this obsession? Why? What is this obsession with our supreme leader? एक बार पानी क्या पिला दिया? You think no, your career is going to be defined by that?
नहीं.
How will you define your career? Now tell me now. I don't care if you feel bad now. Have some water. Tell me what defines your career.
My career is defined by the fact that I hope people will watch me. I hope people will like what I ask. I hope people will think that the interviews are worth their paying some attention to. That's what defines my career. In other words, making sure that I'm the sort of interviewer that people would want to watch and would learn something from the interview rather than from me.
So then be like us, na? Be like us. Understand, talk, language of the people, of the masses, talk their lingo. Arey, what you're talking about, Mr. Thapar? Arey, Shashi Tharoor ji also very soon. आप मुझे बताओ.
जी.
I will, you come this side. Come this side. What are you doing there? Come this side. Huh? Amit ji ko I'll call.
Okay. Interview, उनका भी इंटरव्यू दिलवाओगे?
अरे nice, अरे बस you just tell me, you will ask nice questions.
हाँ जरूर.
Ask about what is their interest, what drives them, why do they do so much of national service? Why can't you ask these questions?
मैं पूछूंगा. ये मुझे बताइएगा प्रधानमंत्री साहब. How did you get a 56-inch chest? How can I get a 56-inch chest?
Now you stop. Good. Now, if you behave like this, if you ask these questions, I will try my best to get you these interviews.
दोनों के साथ.
हाँ. Okay, but you have to
deal.
No, but just now you
Deal.
said that you are going to make them water
Deal.
and पानी पिलाओगे.
Deal.
हाँ, but nice questions, huh? Then I'll call Amit ji. ठीक है?
Deal.
Okay. Thank you. But please, this is new India. Try, Mr. Thapa. I know it's a little difficult, but try. Huh? Hey, return. Chalo, pack up.
Thank you very much indeed, Akash. I really enjoyed that. It was great fun.
I'm sorry if but that's all. I don't understand myself when the glasses come on. Then it's a different person altogether. So.
Hi, I'm Karan Thapar. Over the last few years, I hope you've been watching my program, The Interview on the Wire. During that period, I've interviewed doctors, politicians, businessmen, scientists, authors, and even the occasional Nobel laureate. For me, it's been exciting. I hope it's been enjoyable for you. But these, as you know, are tough times, and if this program is going to remain bold, independent, and sometimes even defiant, then I think we need your support. At the end of the day, it's a truism, but editorial independence is best defended by the viewers. So if you would like this program to remain the way it is, forthright, outspoken, and interesting, then would you consider supporting us? All you have to do is to click on the description at the bottom. But more than anything else, I hope you will continue to watch The Interview. Your viewership means an awful lot to me.